The source that I will be using to revise my defining a problem essay is PennsylvaniaFracting.com. The assignment consists of picking a controversial problem and then discussing why you think, as a writer, it's a problem. Once you have said why you think it's a problem, you then must explain who is affected and what the consequences are if the problem was not solved. The problem that I discussed in my paper was hydraulic fracturing. I found it an interesting and important topic because of its impact on New Yorkers. New York has been debating over the option to begin fracking for many years, and the debate has been consistently postponed. I believe that this site will prove to be very beneficial to my paper. My main points that I included were what fracking is and how it is done using natural shale formations. I then discussed how it harms the environment. The chemicals released can cause a lot of pollution. Many of the chemicals are carcinogens and not only affect the environment but our own lives. I also included that fracking does give jobs and natural gas, but at what cost are we getting these things? We need to think of the environment and this earth so we can protect our future children. In order to strengthen my argument, I would like to include the amounts in the chart I found in the news source, related to the economic and environmental costs. I think that it would significantly strengthen my argument if readers could see more numbers to put things into perspective. I believe numbers and statistics are more useful as opposed to me simply stating that fracking is bad. This chart allows myself as a writer and others as readers to see actual dollar amounts that have been calculated of the environmental cost fracking causes. This site also included some information about the Marcellus Shale Formation, which the first draft of my defining a problem paper was missing. Another useful bit of information that I would most likely include would be the salaries of fracking workers. The high salaries are only due to the high level of danger that is seen with the act of fracking, and there won't be a whole lot of jobs available once the natural gas is gone, so that will be another point to be made. Once the gas is gone, so are the jobs. What do we think we are going to do next? The more we continue to damage the earth, the harder it will be for anything to live here. We need to find alternate sources sooner rather than later. This is what I need from this source to fully express. I will easily be able to expand on the facts I get from the PennsylvaniaFracting.com as previously heard.